Well, I finally did it. I turned in my guitar for an ukulele. And now I'm going to share with you everything I know. We're going to start off with just learning some basic strum patterns that you're going to see in tons of songs. So it's really important that you get all these different samples down that I'm about to show you. But let's talk about a few basics first of all. So the chord that I'm going to play the entire time is a C major chord, and this is a great simple chord to play. All you have to do is do this. Use your third finger and put it on the third fret of the first string. Okay, the first string is the string that's closest to the bottom. Okay? And just right there, third finger, and then all you have to do is strum all the strings. And you got a C chord. That's it. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is how we're going to strum. One of the most popular ways to strum the ukulele is with your first finger. So I'm going to grab my first finger, and I just want to have a real nice relaxed wrist. And I just bend my finger slightly. And again, the strumming is coming from the wrist here. I'm not moving my whole hand, but just the wrist. And I'm just kind of doing my fingertip. Now, typically for a guitar, we would strum right here over the sound hole. And it sounds great. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up slightly, right to about where the body of the guitar and the neck meet. And I'm going to strum right there. It just gives it a, I don't know, it's almost like more of a ukulele sound, if that's even possible. So we're going to use all the examples here that we're going to do. We're going to be using the C chord, and I'm just going to be using my first finger strumming right up here, right here on the neck, right where the guitar neck and the body meet. All right, so now let's talk about these rhythms. All these rhythms are going to be in 4/4 time. So get used to it, because you're going to see that a lot in the different music we're going to be looking at. That means each measure is going to have 4 beats. And there's going to be different kind of notes that we're dealing with this particular lesson. Whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Okay? This first one is going to work on a measure of whole notes, and a whole note gets 4 beats, so it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just let it ring out, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just strum on beat 1 and let it ring out for the remaining beats. The next is a half note. A half note looks like a circle that has a stem coming down from it. Half notes get 2 beats. That means you can have 2 half notes per measure. 2 plus 2 equals 4. When you have half notes, you're going to have a strum on beat 1 and also another one on beat 3. So half notes would sound like this: 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now the whole note. 1, 2. Let it ring. Now half notes. 1, 2, 3. Now whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, next we got the quarter notes. Quarter notes are a circle that's colored in that has a stem coming down from it. Quarter notes receive 1 beat. That means that in a measure of 4/4, you can have 4 quarter notes. That means we're going to strum on every beat. Okay, so check this out. 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to use all downstrokes for right now. When we get to the eighth notes, I'm going to use upstrokes, but right now we're just using all downstrokes. All right, but now we are at the eighth note, so let's talk about the eighth notes. Eighth notes receive half of a beat. They look very similar to a quarter note, except for they're usually connected by a line that goes between them. Half notes receive half of a beat. That means you can use 8 eighth notes in a measure of 4/4 time. The way you're going to count eighth notes is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm just going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice with my strum pattern, when I'm playing the eighth notes, I'm just going down, up, and it's all right here from the wrist. The upstroke's not much different than the downstroke. I'm just using the tip of my finger, and I'm just going down and up on the strings. 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's try this first line here. It's going to be a whole note, 2 half notes, then quarter notes, and then a measure of eighth notes. So you're going to try all 4 of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now quarter notes. Now here are the eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, this next line we're going to try is going to be a measure of quarter notes, a measure of eighth notes, measure of quarter notes, and a measure of eighth notes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's quarter notes. Now here's the eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and now quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. Now eighth notes. 1 and 2. Let's keep going here. Quarter notes. 1, 2 and 3 and eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the eighth notes. Last time. All right. So those are just a couple practice ones. Now we're going to start seeing some rhythms that you're going to see in songs. Okay? So this first one is going to use a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and a half note. So it's going to be a quarter note on beat 1, eighth notes on beat 2 and the and of 2, and a half note on beat 3. It's going to sound like this. 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Or it's down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. All right, next we're going to try a quarter note on beat 1, eighth notes on beat 2, quarter note on beat 3, and eighth notes on beat 4. Okay, this is a real standard rhythm. You're going to see this in lots of songs. Let me play it for you, and then you join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2. And. So I'm slowing it down. Now join in. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Just get used to this pattern. You want to get it used in your head. Let's speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, pretty cool. That one you're going to see over and over again, so make sure you can get that one down. Next, we're going to change it up even again. Now we're going to have a quarter note on beat 1, eighth notes on beat 2, the and of 2, 3, and the and of 3, and a quarter note on beat 4. That one's going to sound like this. 2, 3, 4. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. Let's slow it down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. Let's speed it up a little bit. 3 and 4. All right. The next one is going to flip this rhythm now. That we, not the one we just played with, the one before. It's going to be eighth notes on beat 1 and the and of 1, quarter note on beat 2, eighth notes on 3 and the and of 3, quarter note on beat 4. So this one's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Or 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. Now, real nice wrist, nice and relaxed. 1 and couple more, but again, these are really great rhythms. You're going to see these in tons of songs. Next one is going to be a quarter note on beat 1, and then eighth notes for the rest of the way, which means it's 2 and a 2, 3 and a 3, 4 and a 4. The strum pattern will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's down, down, up, down, or 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up. Let's slow it down. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and now speed it up. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, so pretty cool. Now this last one, this one is really important. It's a little more challenging, but it's going to be used in tons of songs. It's actually going to be the same exact rhythm we just played, except it's going to have a tie in it. The tie is going to happen between the and of 2 and beat 3. What a tie means is that you're going to play the first note where the tie starts, but then the second note where the tie ends, you're not going to strum that. You're just going to let the note ring out. Let me play it for you first, and then I'll tell you what I'm doing. Here we go. 2, 3 and 4. It's 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Let me slow it down. Down, down, up, tie, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And the rhythm, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So notice on beat 3, you're actually not strumming anything. You're letting the chord ring out. And what I'm doing with my hand is I'm actually doing kind of like a ghost strum. And so here's what I'm doing. I'm going down, down, up, 3. I'm just moving my hand down without strumming it. So I'm in position to go up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, and 3. All right, that one might take a little bit of practice, but make sure you get all of these down because you're going to see these time and time again. All right, let's go ahead now. We're going to try all of them back to back, no stopping, with the backing track. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, whole note, and here's the half notes. Now here's the quarter notes and eighth notes. Here we go now, quarter notes, 2, 3, now eighth notes, and quarter notes, eighth notes. Here's the next rhythm, and down, down, up, down, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and next rhythm, it's down, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3. Here's the next rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Next rhythm, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Next rhythm, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And here's the last rhythm. Down,